In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Ubisoft and Steam account. We'll start in the Ubisoft Connect app on your PC. Ubisoft Connect is the hub where your Ubisoft games and account settings live, and it's the fastest place to manage links to other platforms. Open the app and sign into your Ubisoft account. Make sure you use the correct credentials. If you can't remember your password, use the reset option right on the login page and follow the prompts so you can get back in securely. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the app. Click your profile icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to all the controls for your account. In the Settings window, select the Other section. It's easy to skip past, but this section is where Ubisoft keeps important account linking options. Before making changes, take a second to confirm you're signed into the right Ubisoft account, the one currently linked to your Steam profile. If you've ever created a second account, it's very common to log into the wrong one and not see Steam listed. Matching the correct account avoids confusion later. Inside the Other section, find the area labeled Account Linking. Here you'll see any external accounts that are connected to Ubisoft. If your Steam account is linked, it will appear in this list. Click the Steam entry to open the Unlink option. The app will guide you through confirming that you want to disconnect Steam. Read any notices carefully, since unlinking can affect things like in-game entitlements or cross-progression tied to that link. When you're ready, confirm the prompts to finalize the unlinking. If you don't see Steam listed in the app, there's an alternative path. In the same settings area, click Account Management to open your account page in a web browser. On the web page, scroll until you reach the Link Accounts section. This page shows the same connections, but sometimes it's more up to date. Find Steam in the list, and click the Unlink button next to it. Again, follow the on-screen confirmations to complete the process. This will remove the association between your Ubisoft account and your Steam account. After you've confirmed, return to the Account Linking or Link Accounts section to verify that Steam no longer appears. Unlinking doesn't delete your games, it simply removes the connection. You might be prompted to link again in a game, and updates can take a short moment to appear. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.